All right, good morning, council. Going to go ahead and call the 95th District Court's dismissal docket. When you hear your case called, I need you to announce and let the court know the status of your case. First on the court's dismissal docket is cause number DC 21-08743, Ashanti Coleman et al. Versus Rosina Paradiso. Hearing no announcements on that case, it'll be dismissed for want of prosecution. Next on the court's docket, cause number DC 22-00894, Discover Bank versus Georgina Hernandez Valente.
Trenton Sims present for the defendant on that matter.
All right, and what's the status of that case, Mr. Sims?
This case was previously settled, but we were still working on getting all the settlement documents together.
Okay, I do show a notation that it settled on September 11th. Have those documents not gotten over to your office as of right now?
We received them, however, the documents had a first payment date that had already passed, and we didn't want our client to sign that one. So we had requested a new one, and we're just waiting on that one.
All right, I'll reset this matter for 2 weeks and you'll be notified of the new date and time for the dismissal docket. Once you all enter that settlement agreement and Discover Bank decides they want to go ahead and issue a non-suit, then it'll come off the court's docket.
Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you so much. Next on the court's, yes, you may. Thank you, Mr. Sims. Next on the court's docket, cause number DC 23-07631, Discover Bank versus Nathan Baker. Hearing no announcements on that case, it'll be dismissed for want of prosecution. And last on the docket is cause number DC 23-10058, Sunflower Bank versus Lakita Martin.
Yes, ma'am. Charles Lobb for Sunflower Bank.
Yes, sir. Mr. Robb, what's the status of this case?
We've just relocated the defendant in Maryland. She was in, we believe the latest we had was in Nevada. We attempted service in Nevada, but found that the apartment number in Nevada was actually a commercial P.O. box, drop box. Got the client to investigate. The client, of course, had used a credit report, which is usually current and reliable, but it failed us this time. The client, since we were informed that we could not locate the defendant in Nevada, has done other research, has ordered a Nexus Lexus report, which gave us an address in Maryland. The Maryland, though, address had an APT, but no number. We started a social media search and located a Lakita Martin Facebook page. On that Facebook page, it indicated that she held realtor's license in Texas and Nevada. The picture on the Facebook page does match very closely the driver's license that we have on file with the bank. I did a search under the Maryland Department of Labor and the Texas Real Estate Commission. The Facebook page actually had the license numbers. I was able to cross-check with those licenses, Lakita Martin and an address in Maryland. We went back and looked at our original credit application. She indicated she was a realtor. So based upon that, we have good information to believe that she's now in Maryland. We have a good address. Yesterday, we requested new citations to be issued for service on her in Maryland. So I just need time to get the citations issued, sent to a constable in Maryland, and get her served. I would ask for 90 days if I could have it, Judge.
I am going to reset that. I can't give you 90 days. I'll reset it for 45 days and you'll be notified of the new date and time for the court's next dismissal docket.
Yes, Judge, we'll work hard on it.
All right. Thank you so much. That concludes our docket for today.
Thank you, Judge.
Take care. Bye-bye.
They're going to get 45 days. Ask for 90. And we got 25 days. So I guess it'll calendar out on the Lakita Martin. They're gonna send us a notice, but it's up to people. I'll go back to that. So you need to get that citation. You need to get that to a constable in there. Keep our fingers crossed. That's our truly is our lady. That was not in here. Just looking at his email.
Answer.